Morning, people. Excuse me. It's 9:29 in the morning, which is a bit annoying because it was like 6 o'clock when I woke up. Amazing how much time flies by when you're wasting time. But, today I've kind of penciled in Area 7. I'll show you what that means in a minute, but basically Area 7 is has a mountain, which I'm assuming is that one over there, because it's covered in cloud. Most of the other ones don't have any cloud on them really. They're quite clear. But it does look quite touristy, so we may just be tackling concrete today. Let's have a look. So Doi Monlan. It did say it was like 1,700 and some odd meters up there. But there's no shortage of dotted black lines running all over the whole area, and a holy cave. So I'm sure I can find some mischief to get up to up there. I've started out really great by spilling half my coffee, which is probably a good thing really when you consider how much sugar's in it. But yeah, there we go. The starter to what I'm going to be getting up to in a bit. And we are now back on the GoPro, so it will be lots of short videos, maybe some long ones, depends if I turn it on or off, with hopefully better microphone than the last lot. But as I've got, let me show you what's going on here. As you can see, the inside of the helmet is all shiny plastic. That means it just resonates all the sound in there, so you'll have to put up with me heavy breathing because it just picks those sounds up. So that's how we're gonna roll today. Bike's in the back from, feels like yesterday, but it was the day before, wasn't it? Yeah, day before. I've also mounted a USB charger on there, which I stole from the MT-09 because basically I'm not using it, and hooked it all up, made it all tidy. Doesn't work. This is Thailand, people. So let's get that coffee in my neck, find somewhere to park this van a bit closer to the mountain because there's no need to wear me nobblies out on concrete, and away we go. Later.